I'm Greg with Mattioni Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling. When you're replacing your heating or cooling units, the options can seem endless and the process can seem overwhelming. I'm here today to let you know what you can expect with an appointment with us. The first thing that we'll do is sit down to discuss and review the scope of the project. We're the HVAC experts, but when it comes to your home and your comfort, you're the expert. So we're going to want to discuss what your wants and needs are, how the system has been interacting in your home, if there's any issues. We'll have a lot of questions for you, and we'll happily answer any of the questions that you have for us. From there, we'll do an analysis and design of your HVAC install. We'll go down to the system that you currently have, take a look at how that was installed, see what options you may have, see what type of changes we might need to make. We're going to take measurements, pictures, videos. We want to make sure that we're passing along to our install teams the full scope of what they're going to need to have in order to set themselves up for success when they come out to replace your system. Once we've determined your wants and needs, we're then going to put together options that are made specifically for you. Once those options are created, we're going to sit down with you to present them, discuss them, and answer any questions that you may have. If you find an option that you like and you feel comfortable and confident with us as a company, then we can schedule the date for your install. All in all, the appointment typically takes between 1 to 2 hours. We'll confirm that that's a suitable time frame with you when we first arrive. Our goal at Mattioni is always 5-star customer service. We want that to start at your initial appointment to discuss replacing the system, all the way through the installation of your system and into any service appointment that you may have moving forward. If at any point during any appointment you ever feel like you're not getting 5-star customer service, please stop us, let us know what we can do to improve, and we'll be sure to do so. If you have any questions, our experts are always willing to help you during your appointment, or you can call us anytime at the number below.